Alrighty then, you guys, welcome back to the C63 AMG. It is up on the hoist. The kind gentlemen at Toronto Automatic Transmission have given us permission to film this. So what is going on? Got the pan out, and yep, here is our pan. What do we got in here? Coolant. Lots of coolant, and unfortunately all these little specks that you guys see, and on the magnets, that is all clutch material. So looks like we are going to be doing some sort of rebuild here. Sucks, nothing can be done. That is a little bit crazy. Who would have known that it was that? Wow, unbelievable. Anyways, the rad is in the front. That's what we're going to be replacing. Insane. That is crazy. But yeah, that's what's going on here. Yeah, even the gasket is like fried, as you can see right there, from all the coolant. Who would have believed that? I would have never guessed. Yep. So that's what we're kind of looking at. Fun, fun, fun. I really hope there's no more extra damage, but this one is going to be staying. Yeah. See you, car. Hope you have a good New Year. Damn. Car is going to spend the New Year here, and we'll go from there. Nice.